Happy study. Hello, cutie pies. I am Nafis. How are you today? If you ask me, I am great. Thank you. Do you know what time is it? It is story time. I will share a story about Elmo's home. I hope you like the story. Story time. Once upon a time, it was a beautiful day. On a wide green field, there were some tall trees, beautiful flowers, and a cute mushroom house. Did you know whose home that house was? It was Elmo's home. Elmo said, "Hello, welcome to Elmo's home." On this beautiful day, Elmo invited his friends to come to his home to play. At first, Olaf arrived, and he said, "Hello, I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs." "Hello, Elmo. Thank you for inviting me." Elmo said, "Hi, Olaf. You're welcome, and thanks for coming." Right after Olaf, it was Big Bird. Big Bird said, "La la la. Hi, I'm Big Bird. Hello, Elmo. Hello, Olaf. Thank you for inviting me." Elmo said, "Hi, Big Bird. You're welcome, and thanks for coming." Elmo was so happy, and he said, "Yay, everybody's here. Come on, let's go to play." And then everybody got into Elmo's home and had a wonderful playtime together. The end. Cutie pies, did you like my story? Oh, you did? Thank you. I am so glad you liked it. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. See you next time. Bye bye.